Hi there traders, this is the second video of the futures trading course by the C-Scalp. In this video we will tell you which futures are traded on the Bybit exchange, and we will talk about the peculiarities of such futures. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and we go on. Bybit exchange trades Perpetual USDT futures, Perpetual and USDC futures, Perpetual and inverse futures. Perpetual USDT futures are classic cryptocurrency futures. Similar contracts are traded on Binance, OKX, Huobi, and other crypto exchange. Let's start from USDT Perpetual futures. Such futures are settled in USDT. To open a position on such futures, we need USDT in our wallet. Margin, profit, and loss are also calculated in USDT. To open a trade, we need to have enough funds in derivative wallet. More than 100 such futures are traded on Bybit, BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, DOT USDT, and so on. You can trade USDT futures with leverage in cross-margin and isolated margin modes. BTC USDT and Ethereum USDT contracts are traded with leverage up to 100x. Other contracts with leverage up to 50x. We will talk about what cross-margin and isolated margin are in the next video. Most C-Scalp traders on Bybit trade USDT futures. The main liquidity is concentrated on them, which is extremely important in active trading. Now let's switch to Perpetual USDC futures that in fact work in the same way as USDT futures. The difference is that settlements for them take place in the USDC stablecoin. In this case, you need money in USDC derivatives wallet. To create it, you need a unified trading account, and we will pass a small test that's in fact very easy. It's impossible to pass it until you choose the correct answer. It will take several minutes. Then you will have this unified trading account. You can trade USDC futures in cross-margin and isolated margin modes. Leverage 125x for BTC USDC, Ethereum USDC up to 66x, other contracts with leverage up to 50x. We talked in more detail about the difference between futures and perpetual futures in the previous video, by the way, and you can watch it by the link under this video. Now let's switch to inverse futures that are traded in pairs with USD. They are calculated in the base currency. This means that the value of contracts is reflected in USD. But margin, profit, and loss are calculated in the base currency BTC, Ethereum, and so on. Inverse futures trading take place in cross-margin and isolated modes, and leverage from 1x to 100x available. Inverse contracts are suitable for opening long positions. For example, a trader opened a long position on an inverse Ethereum USDT contract. As Ethereum grows, you will make a profit in Ethereum. The dollar value of the accumulated Ethereum will increase along with the price of Ethereum. The profit in this case will be greater than when using linear contracts. In this video, we figured out what types of futures are traded on Bybit exchange and how they differ from each other. As I said, active traders are interested in USDT perpetual futures as they provide the maximum liquidity that's really important for scalping. Even more, perpetual futures are more flexible because we can keep them opened with no time restrictions. The main thing is that the wallet should have enough money, enough margin. But don't forget about the risk management. In the next video, we'll be talking about short and long positions. We will also talk about cross margin and isolated margin. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and I wish you good luck in your trading.